Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat notification not working. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's hard to stay on top of the action in Snapchat when its notifications aren't working, and not getting a relevant notification is an all too common occurrence in the social media app. If you want to know about new messages, stories, and other happenings in Snapchat, here's how to fix your Snapchat notification. So it's very simple. First of all, you have to make sure that your internet connection is on a good connection, is on a good condition, so you'll get any notification for Snapchat. You can refresh your internet by enable the airplane mode. Now you can disable it and you can see if there is a Snapchat notification appear on your screen, or you can check on the settings from here. You can check your settings on Snapchat notification. You can go to your settings on your phone. You can just scroll down. You can choose on app. You can choose on manage apps. From here, you can search for Snapchat. Choose on Snapchat. You can check the notification. You need to allow. You can show all notification on your Snapchat. So you'll get the notification. If you don't allow the notification, you will not get the notification from Snapchat. And also on the app's permission, you can enable all of this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage Snapchat notification not working. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.